Roll down the window. What's up, bro?
Just waiting for my mom, sir.
Okay, you're just parked illegally, that's it, alright? And you got dark window tint.
I'll go over here.
No big deal. Can you turn off the car for me?
I'll go over here for you, sir.
Turn off the car for me?
Let me move the car for you.
No, just park it, leave it here, okay?
Yo,
hey,
yo,
hey!
Westbound.
Hit the red light. Manchester, Vermont.
No, just park it, leave it here.
Yo! Adam 34, shots fired, officer needs help. There's gonna be a suspect vehicle going westbound, Manchester, approaching Vermont, advice 77, advice 77. He's at the red light, Manchester, Vermont.
Here's surveillance footage from inside the store where Elster changed his clothes and made his escape.